Hi guys, in this video we will see how to collaborate on documents with others. This is the one of the best feature of Google Docs is the ability to generate a shareable link and lets anyone with it to either view, suggest, edit or edit your documents. Launch Google Docs first and go to your documents which you want to share or create a new documents, also a blank documents. Here prepare your documents, how to collaborate on documents with others. Here now we will see how to share these documents with others. Here you will see a share button from the top right corner, search icon. Click on this. Here you can enter email address manually or click copy link in the bottom left corner. First assign a name of your documents. Name before sharing, you must enter a name. I will choose collaboration on Google Docs. Click on save. You may have option to speak and thereafter sharing untitled document. You can enter email address manually or click apply copy link in the bottom left corner to hand out the invitation yourself. If you opt to share a documents via email, you can choose their permission from the drop down menu to select between viewer, commenter or editor. You can also send an email to the person to notify them by enabling notify people and optionally typing a message. You can also have option to copy link or enter direct email address. You can also send an email to the person to notify them by enabling notify people and optionally typing a message. As for links, you can change the permission underneath the general access button. The drop down menu lets you select how much power users with the link have over the file when you select one of these options. 3 options available here. Access updated. If you want to change access status, then simply you have 2 options. The 3 option available, restricted and anyone with the link, and also power is editor, commenter and viewer. 3 option available, people with access. You can do a lot more with these shareable links which also work with other drive files and on mobile. If you want to remove access, then simply click on remove access. Otherwise viewer, commenter or editor, 3 options available here. Assign any task to the recipient and click on save.